JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back at it again with another acrylic nail video. Unfortunately, a lot of footage in this video did somehow get deleted and there's no saving it, so I do apologize for the acrylic application. But we do have a little filing, shaping, and a little French tip going on with this video. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like the video, or maybe you can like it at the end if you do like it. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it if you definitely interact with me in the comments. I love interacting with you guys. So yeah, comment something down below, maybe a nail set that you would like to see, or any kind of little something that I could show you guys. So yes, unfortunately, when I recorded this nail set, everything was on my phone, on my camera, everything was there, but unfortunately everything is not there anymore. I moved everything over to like my little hard drive thing, my little flash drive, and then when I uploaded it to my computer, no video was showing, but it showed that there was something there, but there was no video. But anyways, this is what I could recover. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and speed this up. I do like to let you guys know that I do like to hand file first with an 80/80 grit file around the sidewalls of the nail and underneath the nail and the surface of the nail, just to make sure that it is flat. And then, since I am using a fake hand, a silicone hand, whatever you want to call it, I am going in with a sanding band. Normally, if I'm taking a client, I would go in with my 501 drill bit, but I am going in with a sanding band. So yeah, let's go ahead and speed this video up and get right to it. So this is how the nails are looking, all shaped, filed, buffed, and clean. I did take my silicone hand to the sink and wash her up, honey, because I didn't want all that dust on it. It might be still a little dust. No, I didn't take her to the sink. She's still dusty as crusty as hell. But anyways, this is how they are looking so far, shaped, filed, and buffed. Now what I like to do before I go in with my nail design, I do like to go in with a matte top coat first, to go ahead so that way I can have kind of like a smooth surface to draw my nail design, because if I go in on top of a buff surface, there is a chance that my gel polish can leak through the cracks of some of those scratches that didn't really get buffed out too well. So I do like to go in with a matte layer on top of the nails that I am going to be drawing on. And so since this nail design is a French tip nail design, because I know you've seen the thumbnail, then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and matte all of the nails. I try not to get it so perfectly detailed or up close to the cuticle area, because after I'm done with my nail design, I am gonna go right on top with my top coat. So don't really have to do it all the way up to the cuticle area. But yeah, this is just a little trick that I like to do. As being a beginner nail tech, I do see that it did help me out a lot, because my lines was looking real shitty and now they're looking a lot better. So I am going to go in with a 25 I think it's a long liner brush. I think it's the 25 length one, I'm not sure. And I am using D&D white gel polish, but it's called French Tip. So I am using that, and yeah, I am just going to try my best on these French tips. So you guys, I've been taking clients, and lo and behold, all of my clients have been wanting something with a French tip, and your girl is not good with French tips. So this is a set that I decided that I wanted to do so I can practice my French tips, and I wanted to practice my short square nails. Now, if you need a video that's going to help you apply acrylic, shape your short square nails, I suggest you go to YouTube and search Nail to the Hustle. She has a video that is dedicated just for short nails, short square nails. A tutorial, step-by-step guide, very detailed. I highly recommend it. I watched it, and that's exactly what motivated me to create this nail set, because I really wanted to get my French tip down, and I really wanted to get my acrylic application down for short square nails, because that's all the girls have been getting is short square nails. Not yet have I had the pleasure of doing a long set or like a medium set. Haven't had the pleasure of doing one yet, but I know God's will, it will come to me. So yeah, I am gonna go ahead and finish up the French tips. I don't know what else to really talk about with you guys. Let's just talk about what you guys are manifesting for the year of 2024. Me, I am manifesting to grow my clientele a lot more than what it is, because it's really nothing right now because I'm just starting out. So I want to manifest growing my clientele. I want to manifest having a successful nail business. I want to manifest having a she shed, because I don't want to do a suite. I don't want to do booth rent. I don't want to pay nobody for where I'm working, you know? So yeah, that is something that I do manifest. I manifest all types of flows of incomes coming my way. I manifest going and traveling and seeing different things and having great clients with great vibes, and that's willing to pay the coin for long-lasting nails. So those are just a couple of things that I am manifesting into my life. For 2024, I am starting to think a little differently, because if you think differently and think positive, those things will, transpire into your life. And if you continuously think negative and, things like that, you're manifesting that negativity in your life. And I've noticed that I've always, when it came down to my nail career, I was always manifesting negative energy. I was always saying to myself, oh, I'm scared, I'm nervous, I'm shy, I don't know how to do it, what if I don't have the support, all kind of excuses. And now for the year 2024, I'm over the excuses. It's time to get down to the nitty gritty, get these girls' monies, let them walk out feeling beautiful with their nails, things like that. So I'm gonna stop pussyfooting around and standing on my own neck and just get to business. You feel me? Yeah. But now that we are done with all of our French tips, they look pretty good, for my freehand try with them. They look pretty good. But now with this glitter finger, honey, I'm just going to do like a candy cane swirl kind of design, because I did record this video during the Christmas holiday season. I was on vacation, so I was able to record a lot of Christmas nails, but I don't think I'm really going to upload all of those videos, because Christmas season is over. I don't want to see any more snowflakes. I don't want to see any more Christmas nails, so I'm probably not going to upload those. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and speed past this part of the video, because I don't really have nothing else to talk about, and plus I did not know what the hell I was drawing. So yeah, my candy cane little swirl or peppermint swirl, it's going to look fucked up, but hey, I'm a beginner, so don't judge me too hard.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, it could last me forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna pull no got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Alright, so we're done with that little peppermint candy cane little swirl little thing. So now all I'm gonna do is go in with a shiny top coat. I got this from Model Ones off of Amazon. It was like in a polygel kit. I don't mess with polygel, but it was gift to me, so I'm just using the top coat and the base coat that's out of the little kit. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it in the lamp for a total of 60 seconds, and I'm going to show you guys the result. I didn't apply any cuticle oil on my mannequin hand. I probably should the next time just to see what kind of effect it will give off. Will it give like a realistic hand or not? Yeah, we'll give it a try, friend, and see exactly how it looks. And I did have a request for my silicone hand to figure out how the nails stay on, so that will be a next video that I will be posting. So stay tuned and turn on your post notifications so you can be alerted for when I do post that video. But this is how the nails are looking. The nails are really, really cute. I really, really like them. They may be like a little thick for shorties, but I really, really like them. If you guys like this set, definitely, comment down below. Interact with me. Let me know what you feel, what you think about the set, what I should do better, if there's any tips, tricks, or anything that you know. Yeah, I can take constructive criticism because, hell, I need it, especially if I'm trying to, be someone's nail tech. So, yeah, ladies. Well, yeah, so that's the video. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below. I wish you guys a happy and a wonderful and prosperous 2024. Okay? Think all good things next year. Do good things next year. Let's try to be better. Why can't I talk? Let's try to be better people than what we are, because this world is crazy. And so yeah, y'all, this is the video. This is it. That's all. I love you guys. I don't have to say it twice. Comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. Bye.
Just be pressed like who you. I get whatever I like. This won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit.